Hey there, beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chris as always, and welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to install the INTELLJ IDE inside your Windows 10, and we are going to go step by step. For this INTELLJ IDEA to work, there is some dependencies like the Java JDK. You have to check if you have the Java JDK installed by going in the run and then you type cmd. To check, you can type Java and then -version to see the current version of Java you are using. And in this case, I'm having this Java version 17, and I can check for the JavaC compiler too, and by typing this command to version, and I'm having this 17 too. So make sure that you have the JDK pre-installed on your system, and if you don't have the JDK pre-installed, you can go on this card app there to download the video or to watch the video about how I said you can install the JDK. Without further ado, let's jump to the website where you can get the INTELLJ IDEA for free. And in this case, you can go on the Google or in your favorite browser, and then you can type INTELLJ IDEA like this one. You can press enter. The first link that will come is from this jetbrains.com, which is the owner of this IDE. You can read the description on this right side, but we are not going to read that by this moment. Go on the official website like this one, here it is, and you can see the download button is here. You can go ahead and press download, and it will start in a minute. And after we click on that, you can take a closer look on this website. As you can see here, there is versions for Windows, but there are also two versions. The first one is called the Ultimate version, and the second one is called the Community. When you take a closer look, you can see this Ultimate version is paid. The reason it is paid, it is that there is an offer of 30 days trial. But for the Community version, there is no end. You can use it until you decide to uninstall it. So in this case, you can take a closer look on the features that it gives you, and you can see now there is a limitation to this Community version, but you can go ahead and download it for the testing. If you are seeing that the IDE is good, you can upgrade to the Ultimate one. Enough of talking, go ahead and press download. The download link, it will start in a moment. And you can see now the download is now here. You can go ahead and start download like this one, and you can wait. But I have this setup pre-downloaded. You can go ahead and press pause. I can open my file system where I saved it. I saved it in this folder. I have it here. As you are seeing, this is now the setup. You can go ahead and double click on the setup to install. And press yes. When it prompts you to run on this computer, go and press yes, and you will be welcomed with this installer wizard. So you can go ahead and press next. This is the folder where it will be installed. Press next, and you can see the required space is 1.7 gigabytes. It is now notifying you to be aware of what you gonna take on your hard disk. Go ahead and press next again. And when you reach here, you have to pay attention because there are some checks that you need to check here and others that you will leave as they are. First, we have to check that we want to create our desktop shortcut for our INTELLJ IDEA, and we have to update the path variable. You can go ahead and tick this one, that this we require to restart, but we are going to restart our system. So go ahead and press next and press install. Then we wait for the installation to be done. Press install. You can show the details to see what is going on here. So we are going to speed up so as to never waste time. All right, cool. Now you are seeing our installation is complete, but we are not done yet because we have to restart our computer so as to apply any change that we made. So in this case, I'm going to check this. I want to manually reboot later for the sake of saving this video, and I will come back when I am going with further steps so as to never meet with errors. Okay, I'm seeing you soon. Alright, once our restart is complete, it's now time to go ahead and open our INTELLIJ. You can see it on our desktop. Go ahead and double click on this to open and wait for a second for this setup to be started. And we now ask us to accept to these terms. We are going to confirm that we have read, even though you didn't, but you can go ahead and read so as to be aware on what you're going to confirm. In this case, I'm aware of confirming that. So go ahead and press continue. And it is asking for data sharing. We don't want to send any data, so go ahead and press don't send. It will bring this beautiful interface. So we will wait for the program to be opened. Alright, now it is giving us this welcome screen. You can go ahead and create a new project on here. Go ahead and press on create a new project. So wait, and to bring this one, it is asking for the programming language that we are going to be using. We are going to use Java, so you can choose among all of these, and if you choose, it will ask for our project SDK. It has automatically detected my SDK version 17. If it didn't, you can go ahead and choose among here, or you can add it in the manual way. So in this case, we are going to go ahead and place next, and to ask to create a project from the template. So let's go ahead and choose this, press next, and you can give the name. Let me call this class first up. It is going a little bit crazy here. Up, place on finish, and it will begin to load our components. So we wait for the welcome screen here, and it will bring all these sample codes for us to start with. And the tip of the day, you can go ahead and press close. You can wait for these scanning files to index to complete, so as we can go and mess up with this. Okay, you can now see we are done. You can go ahead, when you take a closer look to this code, you can see where to write your code. Let's delete this line real quick to add our line of code to check if it is working. You can go ahead and type system. Okay, you can choose from this one. You can choose hello Chris, and you can try to learn to see if it will work. Of course, it is working. You can see now hello Chris is here now, and you can now be sure that your INTELLIJ ID is working as expected. Thanks for watching. That's how you can now install the INTELLIJ IDE inside our Windows 10. I hope you guys will find this video very helpful and interesting. Let me know in the comment if you met with any errors or any. So I will see you guys in the next one. Peace up.